Hi guys! Eto na naman po tayo sa bagong video with your chikadorong mommy, Chari. And today, I will be unboxing this one. As you can see, meron tayong malaking box dito from Amazon. And today, wala si Max kasi nasa school siya. So, first time ko yatang mag-film nang wala si Madam. So, any guess what's inside this super huge box? So, eto na nga. I-open na natin itong box. Dumating to kagabi. In-order ko siya nung isang araw. So, if you are a member of Amazon Prime, they have a delivery the next day. So, if member ka doon, once na nag-order ka, the next day, marireceive mo yung order mo. Pindays ko yung order ko around 4 p.m. And then the next day, dumating siya kagabi around 8 o'clock. So, accurate naman. Sabi nila, i-deliver daw ng 9 p.m. pero dumating ng 8. So, eto na nga. Actually, binuksan na to ni Max kagabi. Kasi akala niya to is yung laman kasi ang laki ng box. So, let's open and see what's inside. Hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. Hindi ko pa siya ginamit last night. So, ito siya. Dolce Gusto Mini Me. Matagal ko na gustong bumili ng coffee machine kasi nga addict ako sa coffee. Hindi naman super addict. Pero I find comfort lang kapag umiinom ako ng coffee. Okay. Ito na nga siya. So, i-open natin. Ano meron sa box? Ito nga palang binili ko is 419 dirhams. So, more or less 5,500 pesos. Nakasale siya ngayon sa Carrefour pero wala siyang kasamang mga coffee pads. So, this one is a bundle. So, mura na siya. It comes in 5 boxes ng coffee pads. This one is a Nesquik. Makahappy si husband kasi Nesquik yung iniinom niya every morning. This one is latte macchiato. Oh, siya macchiato. This one is ice, cappuccino ice. This one is cortado espresso macchiato. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. And mocha. Ayan siya, 5. Sa isang box, let's open it. Sinira ko na siya. Ay! Ito siya, ganito siya. First time ko actually gagamit ng ganito. Matagal ko lang gustong bumili ng neto. So, 8 pads. 8 coffee pads siya sa isang box. So, lahat naman sila, 8 pieces inside. So, meron pala siya mga iba-ibang flavor, kagaya ng chai, latte, cafe, I don't know, kung paano basahin. Espresso intenso, grand mild, cappuccino, lungo, chocochino, Marrakesh style tea. Tingnan ko nga. Pare-parehas naman pala yung nasa box. Kung ano yun. Hindi. Ito meron siyang espresso caramel. Okay. So, we're done with this one, the coffee pads. And ito na ang pinaka-main attraction ng ating video. Tada! The Dolce Gusto Mini Me. Bongga. So, let's open this now. Meron siyang instructions dito sa box. So, hopefully, meron din naman siyang manual sa loob. Here it is. Here's the manual of the Dolce Gusto Mini. Ito yung pinakamurang variant ng Dolce Gusto kasi ito yung pinakamaliit. So, meron siyang instructions dito sa manual kung paano gamitin. Sana lang hindi ako kainin ito. Baka nangangain ito ng tanga. So, it says here how you're gonna use it. Depende sa coffee pads. Depende sa laki ng baso. Ng mug. Okay. So, meron pala siyang discaling kit. Ano ba ito? Panglinis siguro. Whatever. Okay. Ay! This one is also a manual, but it's in Arabic, unfortunately. Okay, let's continue. Ito yung nalaglag kanina. Ano ba ito? So, I assume ito yung patungan ng mug or na glass. Ito na siya. Magaan siya kasi maliit. Okay, that's it. Wala nang laman. Okay. Black yung pinili kong color kasi para mag-match siya doon sa mga ibang appliances na nasa kitchen. So, I still need to read the manual on how to use this one. Pero feeling ko madali naman kasi nakakita na ako nito sa mall kung paano siya ginagamit. And I'll be filming on how to use this. Pag-aaralan ko muna siya. Okay? And I'll be back. I'll be testing this morning because it's 8 a.m. and it's time for my morning coffee. Before ako gumawa dito sa loob ng bahay. And may lipstick ako, hindi ako naghahatid kay Max ng ganito katindi ang lipstick kasi baka sabihin ng mga ibang nanay ang arte-arte ko. Which is totoo naman. Normally, ano lang, lip tint. Pero, because I'm filming today, I need to put a pangmalakasang lipstick. You know that. That matches my shirt and my jeans. Okay? I'll be back. Babasahin ko lang yung manual at magpapalit ako ng earrings, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. Inopen ko pala itong isa sa mga boxes ng coffee pods. Sa isang box pala, 16 pieces siya na ganito. But, sa isang gamitan, you need to use 2. Like this mocha. So, kailangan mo siyang gamitan ito and ito para mabuo mo yung flavor na mocha. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede siyang gamitin ng isa lang pero I don't think so. Kasi nakalagay dito sa box. Nakalagay dito sa box is you need to use both para makakuha ka ng coffee na 220 ml. Di ba parang masyadong madaming kape? Anyways, yun na nga. Itatry ko muna itong gamitin. Babasahin ko muna yung manual kung paano siya. Shinare ko lang kung ano mismo yung laman na nasa loob. But still, I'll be filming kung paano siya gamitin. This one, you need to put water on this side. I'll be back. I'll just put water. Okay, I'm done putting the water here at the back. Tapos, eto na siya. Meron siya, ito yung on and off button. You can use it either hot or cold. Tapos, etong tray niya sa ilalim, pwede siyang i-adjust. Depende sa laki ng mug na gagamitin mo. So, it says here, the level that you need to use. So, for this one, the white pods, up to here. Tapos, yung isa is hanggang second lang. For us to be able to get a 220 ml of latte macchiato. This one is in caramel. Okay. Let's do this now. It's already plugged. And the on and off button is here on the top. You need to press it. It will turn red. And then once it's ready, magiging green na siya. So, let's start. Andito na yung water sa likod. Nilagay ko na. And then I already put the pods. I'll be using this one, the latte macchiato caramel. And it says here that it should be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Level 5. Let's adjust this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, masyado palang maliit tong mug na ginamit ko para doon sa pots. Para sa gantong level. So, next, we'll be using this one, the black one, the black pots. I'll just open this one and remove this pods and put this. Close it. And then it says here on level 2 for us to be able to get a 220 ml of water. Of coffee, I'm sorry. Okay, and it's ready. Ayan na siya. Mga best. Okay, that's it. Here's the finished product using Dolce Gusto Mini Me. I'll be enjoying this coffee that I made. The flavor is this. The flavor of this one is latte macchiato. So, that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this one. And I'll be enjoying my coffee. I'll see you again later. Okay, that's it mga mamshies. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung paggawa natin ng coffee using my new Dolce Gusto Mini Me, which I just got yesterday. For all those coffee lovers out there, if you have an extra money to splurge and you want a good coffee that you can do in your house, this is the best that you can get. It's cheap and it's easy to use, not complicated. I am not drinking any espresso coffee because that's too strong for me. I like the flavors that they have. So, super satisfied ako with this machine. Matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin. Nagkaroon lang ako ng extra budget recently. So, nabili ko na siya finally. Yes! So, this has been your Chikadorang Mami. I will be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye mga mamshies! I hope you'll stick around and have a great day.
Bye.
Comment.
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 Subscribe.
Bye.